Listen, the big banks and hedge funds on Wall Street have a major weakness. And when you discover how to exploit it, you can unlock one of the easiest and most consistent ways to make money from the stock market. Click here to download my free report right now. And I'm going to show you how you can pocket up to $3,406 on one simple trade in less than 24 hours. The secret is what I like to call the burn window. You see, every day around 3 o'clock, Wall Street starts selling some of their best stocks, starts closing out their positions. Why? It's simple. They need to free up cash to cover their losing positions. We recently saw this unfold on a massive scale when the hedge fund Melvin Capital had to blow out a bunch of stock to cover a potentially catastrophic loss on their GME short position. Now, it might seem like GME was the most exciting play back then, and you might even be kicking yourself for missing out on the meteoric surge. But in the reality, most retail investors went in with blind faith and got stuck holding the bag, and then GME came back down to earth. That said, if you click here right now to download my free report, I'll show you how to use the burn window to potentially unlock steady gains from the stock market with very little risk. You see, the burn window happens every single day, and we don't need extraordinary events like GME rally to set it off. Every day around 3 p.m., big hedge funds, banks take positions that they need to cover, they need to blow out of. They start selling assets to free up cash to do so. What do you sell if you want to cover losses? You have no choice but to sell your winning positions, the trades you'd ideally have wanted to stay in. This creates a negative pressure on these good stocks, forcing their price down, making them look like they're tanking. But the market knows what's up, and it usually corrects itself the very next morning. That's our golden ticket. If you can spot the stocks being burned and get in before the market closes, you can potentially collect steady and very predictable gains the very next morning. Click here to download my free report today. I'll show you exactly what to look for, how to get in on these simple trades, when to cash out for maximum profits. And even though this is a fantastic method for unlocking steady gains like 12.5% in Etsy, Burn Notice trades are more capable of finding big overnight winners like 126% with Facebook and a massive 246% in NTES. Yes, with the last trade alone, you could have turned 1,000 to 3,460 in less than 24 hours. This is the kind of steady extra income that could allow you to pay off credit card debt, take a big chunk off your mortgage, or quickly boost your retirement savings. When you have something as predictable as burn windows for Lion, the choice is yours. Click here right now to download your free report and see how you can get started today. I'll see you on the inside.